Hello guys, this is Miss Hostetler. I'm going to give you the assignment for August 25th. Go into the dashboard, which is Canvas, go into our class, Intro to Photography, modules, and this is the link. You should know how to get here. It says it right up here. So modules and then the date, August 25th. So we had a hiccup on the 20th, so on the 25th, I was telling kids to resubmit when I had a sub. We talked about that. Um, Chapter 1 reading, you had 1 through 15. If you have not turned that in, I would do so. So for the assignment on 825, we have a bell ringer, and then we have more info on history, which we're going to read an article and then we're going to answer a worksheet that I made in Google. So regardless of what class you are, I'm going to click on R7. So let's say you're R7. When you go here at the top, it will ask you a question, but also if you go to the very bottom, I'm learning this, I have my question. So the question is, or actually, yeah, describe the camera obscura. So when I was absent, you guys read about the history of photography, and you should have learned about the camera obscura, which was the first camera. And so for the bell ringer, I wanted you to click on the plus. I wanted you to put your full name here. If you don't give me your name, I can't give you a grade. Then you will type in using a complete sentence and describe what is a camera obscura. Then you can hit the little three dots. You can go to Google. You can type in camera obscura. And that will come up with some options. And so this is the internet. Not everything is correct. So you need to look and see, click on an image if you believe it to be a camera obscura, which this is. It was a box that they used to trace artwork. It was very interesting. It was a large dark room that had a pinhole that would, over time, it would show the scene and then the artist would trace. Very interesting. So after you would do the bell ringer, just click on the backdrop and it will settle right there. And then you just get out of it, and then I will go in and I will grade it. So that's number one. The second thing, read this article. Click on the hyperlink. So this is 20 first photos from the history. So right here, number one, this is the first photograph. And it talks about when it was taken, 1826 by Joseph Niepce. So this is a metal plate. This is very interesting. I want you to read the 10 different facts, okay? And we'll discuss this, but I have a worksheet. So answer the worksheet, click on the worksheet. And once again, pull your tab apart from what you're doing and split screen it, okay? So here is the article, here are the questions, but you have to make a copy first, all right? Everything I'm saying is on the top of this. So at the top of this, it says, make a copy. How do you make a copy? You go to File, Make a Copy. So File, Make a Copy. Now, right now, this is a perfect time to put your name in, but most of you don't. So put in your last name, first name, okay? R7, R8, tell me which class you are, and then I have the date. Hit OK. So once that opens, and you'll notice I have my name here now, then I can type in and give the answer. So, what is this? Well, let's see here. So, the first question is about the first fact here. It's the first photograph. It's not a CD and it's not a painting. So, the options would be, did this picture take place in 1926 or 1826? And refer back to the reading, and it took place in 1826. So the answer is D. So I have some kids that type in the letter, or they highlight the answer and go up to the highlighter and make it yellow. But somehow, some way, you have to figure out your way. So you want to make sure you answer all 10 questions, have your name on it, and then you're going to share. Notice if I click on it, it says private. So if you share it to me, put my name in there, I can't open it. You have to change the privacies. Let me go back here. I'm messing this up. So when you hit share, please click immediately on change the link. All right. And then go back in and type the teacher's name that it's going to go to, and then hit send. And that is how you turn in a worksheet. Okay? So this is confusing, I know. August 25th, I have it right here. A bell ringer. You're going to read an article. These are the hyperlinks. You're going to turn in the worksheet. Excuse me. And then we're going to continue to watch in class or at home Top Photographer, which is the 4th episode. And it talks about their work, and it's really interesting because it's a reality show and one person is voted off each time. So as long as you make sure you do the bell ringer and you turn in this worksheet, you have completed today's assignment.